Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my first FabFitFun Winter 2024 box. Let's get into it and check it out. I am a FabFitFun partner and this is my partner box. The beauty part about that is they still let us choose now. So I got to choose all 6 of the items that are in here. I tried to choose the ones. Of course, this is before they release everything. We don't choose from everything, but I tried to choose the ones that I thought you guys would like to see the most, maybe for size or for texture, that kind of thing. So I have my 6 choices in here. If you are new to FabFitFun, it is a lifestyle box. It comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. This is our winter box. We just finished our spoilers, so we know all of the options for all of the customization choices now. Refills, boosts, we have throwbacks. All of this starts tomorrow if you are an annual. If you would like to sign up as an annual or as a seasonal, I have a link below for both, but with an annual subscription, you will receive a gift valued at more than $200. If you sign up as a seasonal, it is $69.99. You will get 20% off your first box and you will do all of your add-ons and customizations in 2 weeks from tomorrow. So as an annual, tomorrow is add-ons, Friday is customization. Since I am putting this up today, I'm gonna put up, and I'm gonna put it up early, tomorrow I'm going to put up our complete scroll through. I really try and avoid doing 2 in a day, but because of the way this works, it's just almost impossible. So we will have our complete scroll through tomorrow. I will basically tell you everything that's in the box, size, how much it's worth, from beginning to end of all of the spoilers. But first, the box. I am so new to FabFitFun partnership that each season I kind of wait to see if they're gonna ask me back to do it again. And it's always so exciting because I love FabFitFun. And if you guys have watched the channel, you know I have done it for, let's just say, more than 5 years, probably more than 6 years now. And I've had 2 annual boxes for years. So it's fun to add, oh, look how pretty. It's fun to add the partner box. FabFitFun. FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. That's what that says. And when we open it up, it says, happiest holidays. I want to show you guys all of this because they've cut back on the printing that they do. Ecologically wise, that's why they've done that. But I still love all of the things that they have been putting in the boxes. This is one of the smaller boxes, but it is chock-o-block full. Okay, customization 1. I went for the scarf. You guys know, if you watch the channel, I love Barefoot Dreams. Hold on, let me rip this open. It does not disappoint. It is so super soft. Oh my gosh, it feels just like my sweaters. Oh, and the blanket, it feels so soft. This is 74 by 11 by 5. So this is half of it. Can I get it all in? That is it in half. So I wondered how big it would be. And it is plenty long. I will take a picture of me afterwards and put it here. And it is so soft. It is gray. It's gonna look so pretty. I, of course, because you guys know me, I love black clothes. So I have a black winter coat. So this is gonna be perfection. Here, let me rub it on me. There was a lot of questions about whether it would shed. I have no shedding coming off even when you know what? I have black leggings on. Hold on a second. This is the weirdest test, right? I mean, we know it's soft. We know it's gonna feel fantastic. It's gonna look great, but is it gonna shed? It came off 0 on my black leggings. I mean, I'm pushing it, I am rubbing it, and it is not transferring at all. Yay. I worried about that because I wear, as we discussed earlier, I wear a lot of black. So I have on black sweaters, black t-shirts, a lot. And I don't want gray fuzzies all over me. It's not a problem. So this was my choice in customization 1. This is my partner box, but I do get boxes on my own. I have 2 annual boxes. And if this had been my choice in one of my annual boxes, this alone would have paid for the cost of the box. Is it cute? I wish it wasn't too warm to leave on up here because it would be so cute to leave on for the video, but it's just too warm. So soft though. 100%, if you know Barefoot Dreams, it's 100% of the softness that you know and you love. It is fantastic. Here. It has the Barefoot Dreams tags. Does it say? I bet it says Barefoot Dreams on here somewhere. Here we go. It has that little tag Can you see in the corner? They've done it in the same color, so it's a little difficult to see, but all of the so warm up here. All of the Barefoot Dreams have this. This is almost, if you were like myself, a nice thin little thing. That 11 inches is almost enough to shawl with. I mean, even on me. And I didn't even take the time to make it as long as it could be. Look, it's almost down to my elbow. So it's almost long enough to do a shawl with. I mean, it's not. It's a scarf. And yet, here we are. Okay. I love this choice. I knew that I would, and I wanted to get the opportunity to feel it and test it for shedding, see how we felt about the shedding. Almost none of my Barefoot Dreams sheds, but I have had pieces. I have had pieces that do, and there is nothing more frustrating than when it's the fabric that sheds a lot. And this is not that. Yay. Also, let me tell you, I am not going to tell you all of the choices that you could have made because we've done all of the spoilers, and tomorrow I'm putting up a full review with all of your customization choices in all of the customizations. So we won't go through all of them again today because there's like 11 now. 9, 10, 11, 12 in each one of the customizations. We would be here forever, and you guys just want to see the goods. So my customization choice number 2 is the Greg Natal or Natale. These are the measuring cup bowls. And I said when we did the spoilers that I have a thing for bowls. I buy bowl sets. And I like measuring cups, and I have several measuring cup sets. And then when these were bowls and measuring cups, I was like, I mean, that's a hard guess for me. So they have a $70 value, which I will take the time here to say, side-eye. Again, and I say this sometimes, if you came across this, now I don't know who Greg Natal or Greg Natale is. He might be like the measuring cup whisperer. I can't, you know, is he the Coco Chanel of measuring cups? And we're paying for the name, I'm not sure. If you ran across these in Target or Nordstrom for $70, would you buy them? I wouldn't. I don't know what you would do. You might would. I don't know you. In subscription boxes, as a rule, sometimes there's pricing situations. That said, that is what that costs, and it pays for the cost of the box. So you just have to take it with a grain of salt. But with FabFitFun, I always usually 4 or 5 times more than get my value worth. These are matte. Did we know that? Did we talk about that? I don't think that we did. I like it. But I want you guys to know. I mean, it's glazed, don't get me wrong, but can you guys tell in person? It's a very matte look and feel. It's got the sparkles that we knew about on the outside, and it has the measurements in the bottom. Look, this is the little quarter cup. It's so cute. But I'm glad I got these to show you guys, because if you're expecting shine, can you guys see? I hope it's coming across. They are totally matte. It has his little name on the bottom also. So we have the 1 cup, need 4 hands. We have the half cup, the 3rd cup, and the 1/4 cup. I like them a lot. That is what they look like stacked. They came to me perfectly. They're so cute. And I think the matte look kind of gives them an upgraded, a little bit more of a bougie look. I know, that sounds weird if you take the shiny away. I don't know. Something does feel, it feels a little more upscale in the matte. But I want you guys to know that. I mean, I'm sure it's going to wash fine. Were they dishwasher safe? I feel like they were dishwasher safe. I have my spoilers right here. Let's see. I didn't tell you. I did not tell you if they were dishwasher safe. Fragile, handle with care, wash thoroughly before use, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe. Interesting. Nobody pointed that out in my spoilers. Nobody was like, hey, Catherine, you want to look this up? Dishwasher and microwave safe. So yeah, love this choice. And if there is something that I don't tell you about any of these products that I have here, I will probably, leave them right here for the next couple of videos. Let me know. I'll run up and check. Are you safe? Yes, you're safe. Don't want anything to happen to those. And they were also packed very nicely. Okay, choice and customization 3. We have the Bushwick Honey Pot and Dipper by Bushwick Kitchen. That is another nice sized box. My husband loves tea, and he puts honey in his tea. And I had a honey pot, but it was yellow and the lid got nicked. Nicked? That's not what you would call ceramic, right? Chipped. There's the word. And because of the honey, and I was afraid with food, and I didn't love it. So we were in need of a new honey pot. So that is perfect. I'm not sure, honestly, whether he enjoys using a honey pot or if he just humors me. He might be just as happy to, you know, squeeze it out, but that's not the point. So, oh, I love the way this looks. It's much more just classic looking. Can you guys see right here? It says honey. I'm gonna do that and hope that it's showing. We have the hole in the top. It talks about Bushwick Kitchen on the bottom. It is about the size of my hand. We have our little wooden dipper. Feels very smooth and nice. The little stick sticking out, and then you can just take it, and when we lift it, we twist it, and that way it stops it from falling all over everything if you keep it twisting. I'm using that royal we again. I enjoy it. I'm not sure how he feels about it, and honestly, I don't think I'm gonna ask because nothing good can come from that. So this was my choice in customization 3. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It is a $40 value. It holds 14 ounces, and they say it is 4 by 4.57. I think probably the 4 is the height and the 4.57. I think it's a broader base than height. So that's my guess, but super cute. Some people talked about if this was a real wintry box. And for me, it seemed very wintry, but that could be personal because I do so much more cooking in the fall and the winter. So for me, when we start getting boxes with kitchen-y items, like what I chose, it feels more fall and winter to me. I am not risking more ceramics up there, so we'll put this little fella right here. And I'll just have to go like that periodically. Also, he was packed really well. Okay, next out, customization 4. And I'm here to tell you, one of the reasons I ordered this is because of this. In the pictures we saw, in the first picture, I thought, oh my gosh, that's huge. I don't want to carry that. And then the second picture I saw, I thought, wow, that's not nearly as huge. And now having it in person in my own little hand, it's almost small. And I am not saying that like it's a negative thing because in theory, you want to carry this. So if you're out for your walk and you've hooked it around your waistband or tucked it in a pocket, put it on your purse, whatever, however you're planning to use it, you don't want it to be oversized. So this is, what is it, you say? Tell you. It is the Gaiam safety alarm. It had a $30 value. It acts as a deterrent and a distress signal for additional safety while running, jogging, or walking. Easy pull alarm can be heard 1,000 feet away. My inner voice right now is saying, pull the alarm. We're not doing that. Quit trying to make me do that. My husband is downstairs working, so I truly shouldn't. Remove plastic battery tab to begin use. We have instructions that tell us all about it. That is it. This is the little button thing stopping your battery from going down, and you can hook it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm afraid of making it go off now. I've gone from I want it to go off to I'm afraid. This is what you move to hook it on yourself. Let's pull the battery. Okay. I've turned, I don't know if you will be able to see that. Can you see it bouncing off my hand in case it's not working in the camera? That is very bright. It's just a little button over here on. Oh! So if there's a problem or a dance party, and then off. If you pull this out, it makes, does it tell me how many decibels? It makes apparently a really loud racket. It starts the noise and the strobe light. And then you just push it back into the main body to deactivate the alarm. It says when testing the sound alarm, use caution, put ear protection in. So we definitely can't do that. I just thought in this day and age, out there walking, trying to get healthier, it's not a bad idea. Or I have a 17-year-old granddaughter who's out there driving on her own, and I thought it wouldn't be a bad idea for her either. Very handy. I know, it's not one of those sexy FabFitFun products like a scarf or a honey pot. Very handy. Would I have just run to Target and picked it up? Probably not. Probably should have, but now I don't have to because it was in the box. Okay, next. Nicely protected in its box. And I know some of you are gonna be like, weird. I don't disagree, kinda. except for I love watching Mikkel Jancy, and she loves these. I always say Szechuan, and I think Szechuan is spelled entirely different from that. But Szechuan chili crisps, she loves them. She buys different brands. She buys the Trader Joe's brand, but she talks about her favorite brand comes from Thrive. And I think, I'm like 99% sure this is the one. And I have been thinking to myself, I need to order that in my next Thrive order. And then poof, it was in our FabFitFun box. And I thought, yeah, that's perfect. I should have brought up a spoon. I would just, in the lid. That is the lid when we take it off. Let's just try a little bit. I need more. Oh, that's good. It is very light at the beginning, and that it is that back of your throat kind of hit of heat, not so much at all that you're gonna burn your tongue or your lips. Of course, in all fairness, I put a little bit on my finger and I put it directly onto my tongue, but I am ready to try this. 1 teaspoon is 30 calories, 3 grams of fat, 3 grams of sodium. She makes avocado toast. So she'll do like avocado toast, maybe an egg on top, and then drizzle this over top. I wanted to do it too. And there it was in the box. And I thought, what a perfect way to try it. Fly by Jing. Plus now, if I like it, you guys will know because it'll be in my Thrive box. I know, fun and different, right? But so glad I tried it. Okay, that scarf's taking up all our space. We'll start an over here pile. Oh no. Oh, I can't believe I did this to you guys. I can't believe I did this. That is a US only product. I am so sorry, you guys, and all of my English friends and Canadian friends, you know how much I love you guys. And I am always so aware, and I'm so sad when I have to tell you guys the items you can't have, and I did that. I am so sorry. True. Customization 6. I chose the Tower 28 Lippies. I thought that this was the absolute, hands down, best customization 6. And like I said, when we do our partner boxes, when they let us choose, we don't have all of the choices. But I think I would have chosen this anyway as my first choice because I like, on days when I'm not taping, I like color on my lips because as you get older, all of your own color kind of fades away a little bit. So even when I'm around the house, if I don't put any makeup on, I like mascara and a lippy. These are our 2 lippies. What can I tell you about them? They are the Juice Balm in Mix and Shake. The Shake is a juicy sheer pink, so it's gonna be this one. I'll show you in just a second. We'll swipe them. So that's the Shake Juicy Pink, and then this one is the Mix. It is a juicy sheer tone. So this is the sheer in nude. How's it look? Oh, that's nice. And then, let's see if I can do that. Oh, that's pretty. That one's definitely more me. You can tell by my watch. That's the kind of thing I go for. It is more sheer, I think. Even going back and forth a few more times, the pink is more sheer and more shiny than the nude. I like it a lot. That's totally what I want to wear around the house. These have a $32 value. So this was a I'm showing you the backs. So that is a $32 value, and that was my choice in customization 6. That is my partner, FabFitFun Winter 2024 box. We have the scarf, the honey dipper, and the really pretty bowls. I am so glad we got those so you guys can know that they're matte, and our Gaiam alarm, which is gonna strobe flash and alarm if you have an emergency. And then we have our Tower 28 Lippies and our Fly by Jing. Those were my 6 choices. They let me choose whatever I wanted, and I thought those had the most at the time. They have since released other items. I thought those had the most qualities that maybe you would want to talk about. So if you have any other questions about any of this, just let me know. I am happy to help. Tomorrow, we will have a scroll through of add-ons, and we will have a full customization review from customization 1 through boosts. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I have 2 more boxes coming that I cannot wait to share with you. Plus, and I know you've probably seen it other places now, but I did order the FabFitFun Advent Calendar. Apparently FedEx had a hard time finding my very urban house. I am not difficult to find. So I got it a little later than everybody else. If you still want me to show that, let me know below. And I will see you again really soon. If you are new to the channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Please hit the notification button so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care, guys.